I've slotted the new materials delivery right here.
Perfect. That keeps us on schedule for the week. The calibration on the rear diffuser seems slightly off.
My telemetry shows it's within the required tolerance, actually. The schedule for the rear assembly looks accurate, so...
Agreed. I'll finalize the materials list on the board.
Testing confirms we've optimized the airflow with this design.
The airflow here for better performance. Here you can see the improvements we made to the aerodynamics.